What's up, guys? Today's video we're gonna be going to get a muffler dually at CD Mufflers. Right now I'm going to get James from his house, so we're heading over there right now. But I want to get some not exhaust clips, but I want to show y'all what it sounds like inside my car. I don't know if y'all can really hear it that good, but I mean I'm gonna try to show y'all. I think it sounds pretty good now. I just don't want it to scrape because my mufflers aren't fully connected, so that's why it's kind of loud. But yeah, they're not connected, so every time I go on a hill or something, they'll scrape, and I don't want to have to deal with that no more. So that's basically why I'm getting it done. And then that's pretty much it. I just want to be loud. That's another reason too. But yeah, we're gonna go get James right now. We're like 3 minutes away from his house, so I'll make the video back up whenever we get to his house. Alright guys, we finally got James in the car. What's up? Now I'm finna head to CD Mufflers. So James, what do you think about getting the muffler dually?
Bro, this thing's already loud, bro. When he passed by the house, I heard it dude, so when Mark texted me this morning, I was like, let me know when you're on the way. I was at 6:50. And I went back to sleep, and it was 7:10, and he woke me up out of my sleep. Cause I already kind of know. I mean, I know what Mark's car sounds like. Even when you came to Connell's house, I already knew it was you. I know your tone of your car.
That's what what's the name was saying outside. And I was like, is that Mark? And it's yes,
I heard it down the street. I was like, oh yeah, that's Mark.
Do you know if CD takes card? He said yes last time, right?
Yeah. But if he doesn't, then I'm pretty sure he won't mind if you go somewhere and get cash.
Yeah, cause I only have 60 on me.
Yeah, you just give 60 then and come back. I mean, I'm pretty sure he'll trust you. We already went there. I don't think he'll leave and shit.
He'll be like, nah, this kid just finessed me.
Damn, this kid just scammer gets scammed.
But yeah, we're heading to CD, so I'll pick it up whenever we get there.
In the back, I was trying to scoot away from it.
Alright guys, we're gonna see to CD Mufflers right now.
Yes, sir.
We're a minute away. I'm really excited, honestly. It's crazy.
I wonder how it's gonna sound with the piping and stuff.
I wonder how it's gonna sound too. I hope it don't sound like a fucking dude.
I feel like it's gonna. This is my honest opinion. I think it's gonna sound a little bit more raspier. It's because the piping and stuff. It's up to you though, how your tone. I think it sounds good though. But me, I like raspy, so.
Oh, your shit's raspy as hell. And your car is stupid loud. We were just talking about it on the way over here, how before his car was loud, but now it's loud. There's nothing that compares to his car. And he still has mufflers too. I'm like, dude, that's so crazy. How you can have no mufflers and still be that loud. That is so crazy.
Roush Axlebags, guys. If you got a 5.0, come some Roush Axlebags. Roush or Corsa is the way to go.
You won't need a muffler.
Damn, he ain't even here yet. Where is he here?
Is that the same car from last time? Or no?
Maybe. It's still here.
That one with the flat tire.
Park on this first left one. Yeah. This is the third one from the left. Where the paper dude is.
Is that the right there?
Yeah.
That ain't CD though.
No, it's not CD, but
We cut disc in drums. They just opened right now. Hopefully CD doesn't take a long time.
No, but I think with the muffler dually, I think it might sound a little bit raspy, but it's gonna clean it up, clean up the stuff you don't want. You know what I mean?
Sometimes the muffler will one side will go back on, and it'll sound really ugly. It'll sound I don't know.
Any unwanted noise that you don't like, it'll clean it up with the piping.
That's what we're hoping for. But yeah, we just got to see the mufflers. I'll show y'all. So there's the car. We're just lifting it up, make sure, and then they'll get it going. But yeah, we're here at James at CD muffler shop. I'll show y'all on Bandera. But yeah, we're waiting for the car to get done. They're gonna start right now.
Boy Mark getting in the car.
Alright guys, well, we're about to leave CD mufflers right now. So it sounds like
You can hear the difference.
yeah,
I hear the
it's
difference.
deeper.
Like the
a
tone
lot
is
deeper.
different, yeah.
It's not as raspy no more. Which I mean, like I didn't really mind the raspiness. Like it wasn't like super bad. It wasn't like as crazy as James's. It was different. So get a little send for y'all right now.
That's hurt my ears right there. Next to the wall. Let me hear it down real quick. Damn.
I think it's also like adjust a little bit.
Yeah.
You can tell like it sounds different, but dude, it sounds. You can like feel it like the whole time.
Bro, I can feel that shit under my feet.
I can feel it in my freaking like stomach.
I can feel like that shit felt good.
No, but you can like tell.
Should I record? Does it like get to green? Never mind, not this light. Yeah, keep going down for me. Appreciate that. I'll start recording at the next red light. It feels like my butt's getting tickled.
Alright, but yeah, our next clips will be us when we get to the restaurant. We're gonna go eat. So we'll see you at the restaurant.
Heck no, that's scary.
Alright guys, we just got done eating. Now we're gonna take James home. Also get a couple clips real quick.
Yes,
And
sir.
we go to practice. Yeah, I have to get to practice by 4:11. So like I'll probably get there like 10:30. Do a couple like chest things and then start working out. But yeah, like right now, like it's below 2K while I'm driving.
Shoot the video.
And it's so like you can feel it the whole time. Like it's crazy. You hear it too. Like it's so loud. That's so crazy. But yeah, we're going to James' house right now. We're gonna shoot a couple clips, and then I'll play the clips right now. We're about to do a little set.
About to do a little pool. Okay, hold on. Let me start recording real quick. Can I record out or facing me?
Whatever you want.
You know, you can see my reaction to this, bro. Oh,
When I get to the green sign on the green sign.
that sounds freaking good. Oh, that sounds good.
That was good. Alright guys, well I just got done at James' house. I'm about to go to workouts. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. You know, make sure y'all subscribe and like the video, you know, share it with a friend. And follow me on Instagram at m.arg21. Also follow James on Instagram at James Torres, and follow him on YouTube at James Torres as well. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all's day. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Got a little dumps going on in my car now. That fast guy lifestyle. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
Really made me lose control. I'ma let my love